Hello there, I'm Yvonne DeCellis. I have a channel on YouTube. It is Y Energy, and that's not spelled phonetically. It's spelled the letter Y as in Yankee, the letter N as in Nancy, ERGY, so that's Y Energy. That's my channel on YouTube. I also have a website, which is ydcdesigns.org, and I am an energy healer. I also train on the law of attraction. I do coaching. And I also do Reiki distance healing. And right now I have not started charging yet, but I will. I will do pricing on a very negotiable basis with people because I really just want to help people as much as I possibly can. And also, I'm sorry, I'm not more happy right now. I'm trying to be. I recently took a virtual media course, and one thing the teacher kept stressing was that your audience members want you to be as human as possible. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not super happy because I had a death in my family just a week ago, so I'm a little down, but I'm getting over it. Things will get better soon. But I did just want to go really briefly into the law of attraction. I'm not going to go into this for a long time because this has to be kind of a short video. So just to keep it short, law of attraction basically means that what you put out, you get back, and then some, basically. So if you have a really bad day where everything seems to be going wrong, it means you're trapped in a bad energy loop or energy pattern. It's not your fault. It's definitely not your fault. It just happens. It happens to everybody. The opposite can be true. You can have a day where everything goes wonderfully well. It's all tied together, it's all connected, and it's all energy. So again, when you're putting negative things out, you get negative things back and then some, and vice versa. And also using the law of attraction to get what you want in life. For example, money. One thing I'm studying right now, I don't remember his name. I think he's in China. I'm not sure, but he has a whole theory about how you say arigato to the money. You thank the money when you receive it because you're receiving a blessing. But when you spend the money, you thank the money again for giving you what you're getting with it, but you're also giving it to somebody else. You're not giving it directly, but someone else is getting the money as an end result. So that's just a good mindset to have for starting out. When I'm feeling better and a little less unhappy about what happened recently with the passing, I will do another video, but I did just want to put this short one up, so I hope that was helpful. Again, if you could check me out on YouTube, that would be really helpful. I'm just trying to get as many audience members as I possibly can, but I really do want to help people. I have MS, multiple sclerosis, and fibromyalgia. I was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis in 1995. Energy healing, cognitive behavioral therapy, everything else has really saved my life on many occasions, and I want to show other people how simple it can be to do that. So again, if you can check me out, please do. As always, to everyone, all my subscribers, I love you guys. I really do. Thank you so much for spending so much time here. And if you're new, I really hope you will come back. Please, please, please. And I guess that's it. A call to action. If you could visit my webpage, that would be awesome too. And again, it is YDC, so Y Yankee, D Doodle, C Cat, ydcdesigns.org. That's my webpage. Anyway, thanks again for your attention. Cheers. Peace. Namaste. And I'm sending Reiki energies your way right now. Feel yourself surrounded in a golden egg of light. Namaste, peace and light. Bye-bye.